11:47 p.m. I'm staring at my screen, and there it is. A real payment notification from a real customer for a business that didn't exist this morning. 23 hours and 47 minutes ago, I had nothing. No product, no website, no idea what I was even going to sell. Just one rule. AI makes every single decision. I just click the buttons. This is either the future of entrepreneurship or the dumbest experiment I've ever run. Let's rewind to hour one. Here's why this matters to you. Right now, thousands of people are using AI to build businesses. Side hustles, full-time incomes, some are making real money, most are failing. And nobody is showing you the actual process. The ugly parts, the mistakes, the moments where you want to quit. I wanted to know the truth. Can someone with zero business experience hand the wheel to AI and actually make money? Not fake guru money. Real dollars from real customers in real time. So I set 3 rules. Rule 1, AI picks the business idea. Rule 2, AI creates everything. The products, the website, the marketing. Rule 3, I have exactly 24 hours. If I make even $1 of profit, the experiment succeeds. And here's what I didn't expect. The hardest part wasn't the technology. Now, before I show you the full breakdown, let me tell you what's coming. I'm going to walk you through 7 critical steps. Each one taught me something different about how AI actually works in business. Some of these steps took minutes. One nearly broke the entire experiment. And step 6? That's the one that changes everything. It's the technique almost nobody talks about, but it's responsible for over 60% of the results. Stick around for that one. All right, hour 1, finding the idea. I opened ChatGPT and typed one prompt. Give me 10 business ideas I can start today with $0 and 0 inventory. The list came back fast. Dropshipping, print on demand, digital templates, freelance services, AI consulting. Most of these would take weeks to set up properly, but one caught my attention. Digital product microstore, specifically selling downloadable templates and guides for a niche audience. AI explained the logic. No inventory means no upfront cost. Digital delivery means no shipping headaches. Templates can be created in hours, not weeks. I asked the obvious question. What niche? The answer surprised me. Pet owners who work from home. Wait, what? AI pulled data from Google Trends. Searches for home office pet accessories up 43%. Dog-friendly workspace ideas up 61%. There was a real audience here. Okay, AI, you picked the niche. Now let's see if you can actually build something people want to buy. Hour 3, product creation. This is where most people quit. They think they need to be designers. They think they need expensive software. They think it takes weeks. I gave AI one job. Create 5 digital products for remote workers with pets. In 90 minutes, here's what we had. A pet-friendly home office setup guide. PDF, 12 pages. A daily planner with pet care reminders built in. A Notion template for tracking pet expenses alongside work tasks. A bundle of desktop wallpapers featuring calming pet illustrations. And a checklist for pet-proofing your workspace. AI wrote the copy. AI designed the layouts using Canva templates. AI even suggested the pricing. The guide, $7. The planner, $5. The Notion template, $9. The wallpaper bundle, $3. The checklist, free. Wait, free? That's our secret weapon. More on that later. Total time creating products, 94 minutes. Total cost, $0. I used free tiers of everything. Hour 5, building the store. Now I needed somewhere to sell these products. AI recommended Gumroad, free to set up, handles payments automatically, takes a small percentage only when you sell. Perfect for this experiment. But here's where things got interesting. I asked AI to write every product description, every headline, every piece of sales copy, and AI did something clever. It didn't just describe the products. It described the problem first. You love your dog, but every video call there's barking in the background. Every deadline there's a walk that can't wait. This planner helps you balance both, without the guilt. That's not feature selling, that's emotion selling. AI understood something most beginners miss. People don't buy products. They buy solutions to problems they feel. The store went live at hour 6. 5 products, 1 free lead magnet, 0 visitors. Yet. But here's the part most people get completely wrong. They build the store and wait. They post once on social media and hope. They treat marketing like an afterthought. It's not an afterthought. It's the whole game. Hours 7 through 14 was pure marketing, and this is where AI earned its keep. I asked for a complete marketing strategy for the next 12 hours. AI gave me a battle plan. Reddit. Find 3 subreddits about remote work and pets. Provide value first. Never spam links. Pinterest. Create 15 pins. This platform loves digital products. TikTok. Wait, I'm faceless. No problem. AI showed me how to create content without showing my face. Just screen recordings with voiceover. Facebook groups. Find communities of remote pet parents. Answer questions. Be helpful. The strategy was clear. Give value for free. Build trust. Then, and only then, mention your products. Hour 9. First obstacle. I posted a helpful comment on Reddit. Genuine advice about managing pet distractions during work calls. Within 30 minutes, removed by moderators. Self-promotion detected. I hadn't even mentioned my store. AI helped me rewrite the approach. More specific, more personal, less salesy. I tried again in a different subreddit. This time I asked a question instead. How do you handle your dog's schedule around deep work blocks? The responses flooded in. 47 comments in 2 hours. People were engaged. They were sharing their own struggles. One person asked if I had any resources. I sent them the free checklist. Direct message. No public link. They loved it. They asked about the paid products. Our first real lead. And I never broke a single rule. This is what AI kept reminding me. Play the long game in the short term. Build relationships in minutes that pay off in hours. Hour 12. The Pinterest explosion. While Reddit was slow and steady, Pinterest was a different beast entirely. AI created 15 pin designs using Canva. Each one linked to the free checklist, which then linked to the paid products. Here's the psychology AI explained. Pinterest users are planners. They're searching for solutions to future problems. They save pins. They come back later. They buy when they're ready. By hour 14, the pins had 43 saves. That might sound small, but each save is a potential customer discovering my store days or weeks from now. This is compound marketing. You plant seeds today, they grow tomorrow. Now remember that free checklist I mentioned earlier? Step 6. The one that changes everything. Here it is. The checklist wasn't just free content, it was a trust bridge. Everyone who downloaded it got a thank you page. That page had a limited time offer. 30% off any product for the next 24 hours. Urgency plus gratitude equals action. This one technique drove 4 of our first 7 sales. Hour 18. The moment of truth. I had built the products. I had launched the store. I had executed the marketing plan. But the clock was ticking. 6 hours left. And my total sales count? 2. $14. Minus Gumroad's fees. I was profitable. Technically. But barely. AI suggested one final push. A TikTok video. No face required. Just a screen recording of the Notion template in action. With text overlay and trending audio. I had never made a TikTok in my life. AI walked me through every step. The hook, show the result first. The body, reveal how it works. The call to action, subtle. Just a link in bio mention. I posted it at hour 19, and then I waited. Hour 20, 93 views. Hour 21, 412 views. Hour 22, 2,800 views. And with those views came something beautiful. Hour 23, sales started coming in, not a flood, a steady stream, one every 20 to 30 minutes. The Notion template was the winner. 3 sales at $9 each. The planner sold twice. The guide sold twice. That free checklist? Downloaded 47 times. And remember the discount offer on the thank you page? It converted at 8%. That's strong for cold traffic. By 11:47 p.m., I tallied everything up. Total revenue, $71. Total expenses, 0. Time invested, 24 hours. Was I rich? No. Was I on to something? Absolutely. Because here's what those numbers don't show. I now had 47 email addresses. I had Pinterest pins that would keep working for months. I had a TikTok video still gaining views, and I had proof that this model works. So what did AI actually teach me about building a business? 3 lessons I'll never forget. Lesson 1. Speed beats perfection. My products weren't beautiful, my store wasn't fancy, but they existed, and existing beats planning every single time. Lesson 2. Free is not a loss. It's an investment. That free checklist cost me nothing to create. It brought in over 60% of my customers. Give first. Always. Lesson 3. AI is the best business partner you'll ever have. It doesn't get tired. It doesn't get emotional. It doesn't tell you your idea is stupid. It just solves problems and suggests next steps. Could I scale this to $100, $1,000, $10,000? That's the next experiment. But here's what I know for certain. The barrier to starting a business has never been lower. The tools have never been more accessible. And the only thing standing between you and your first dollar online is the decision to start. If you want to try this yourself, I linked every tool I used in the description below. ChatGPT for strategy, Canva for design, Gumroad for selling, all free to start. And if you want to see me try to turn $71 into $1,000, subscribe and hit the bell. I'm documenting the entire journey, every win, every failure, every AI prompt that actually works. Drop a comment telling me what business you'd build in 24 hours. I read every single one. And who knows? Your idea might be the next experiment. See you in the next one.